P0550, Toyota DTC. Your car has a sensor called the power steering pressure sensor. It tells the car's computer how hard you are turning the steering wheel, so the engine can adjust its idle speed. If the signal from that sensor is wrong, missing, or doesn't make sense, you get P0550. Simple causes. 1. Bad sensor, worn out or broken. 2. Wire problem, cut, loose, corroded, or shorted wire between sensor and ECU. 3. Dirty or low steering fluid, can cause wrong readings. 4. Power steering pump problem, not making correct pressure. 5. Loose dirty connectors, plug not fitting tight or rusted pins. 6. Faulty ECU, very rare. How to fix. Step 1. Check the fluid. Make sure the power steering fluid is full and clean. If low, find and fix leaks, then refill. Step 2. Check wires and plugs. Look at the plug on the sensor, near the steering pump. Make sure pins are clean, not bent, and wires are not damaged. Repair any bad wires. Step 3. Test the sensor. Use a multimeter to check if it gives the correct signal. Toyota manual has the exact values. If faulty, replace it. Step 4. Check pump pressure. Fluid and sensor are okay but code remains. Test the pump's pressure output. Step 5. ECU check. Only if all above are fine. Check or reprogram ECU, very rare case.